Dear students, you are most welcome to today's workshop, Mastering Writing Tone, Sentence Structure, Stance, and Word Choice. In this session, we will learn how to shape writing tone from different perspectives. We will explore how sentence structure, emotional stance, and vocabulary choices work together to create tone, and how you can deliberately adjust these elements to sound more formal or informal, more confident or cautious, more objective or persuasive. My name is Mumtaz. I hope you are enjoying today's e-session. Please attempt all tasks on paper, then share your work on WhatsApp. After the class, upload the same work to our Google Classroom. I have designed a series of short drills for you. If you do each activity carefully, you'll notice your control over tone improving quickly. By the end of today's workshop, you will be a stronger, more flexible writer. Let's dive in. Dear students, remember, tone is how your writing sounds to the reader. Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're mastering one of the most powerful writing skills, tone. Because here's the truth. Two people can write about the same topic using the same facts and still sound completely different. One sounds respectful, one sounds angry, one sounds persuasive, and one sounds sarcastic. By the end of this video, you'll control tone using 3 levers. 1. Sentence structure. 2. Stance, your attitude. 3. Word choice. And you'll do quick drills with me, so don't just watch, write along. Dear students, do you have any idea what is tone? Tone is the emotional and attitudinal voice in your writing. Same message, different tone. Watch. Neutral. Pollution is increasing in urban areas. Alarmed. Pollution is choking our cities and risking lives. Sarcastic. Great. Another development plan and another gray sky. Same topic, but the reader feels different things. That's tone. Key idea. Tone is not decoration. It shapes trust, persuasion, and reader reaction. Tone lever number 1, sentence structure. Sentence structure controls pace, force, and emphasis. A. Short sentences, urgency, impact. Stop the dumping, now. This must end. B. Longer sentences, thoughtful, academic, reflective. While industrial growth has benefits, unchecked waste disposal has intensified environmental and health risks. Dear students, here, questions are engagement, challenge. How long will we ignore what we breathe? D. Passive voice, formal, cautious, indirect. Regulations were not enforced adequately. Mini drill 1, 30 seconds. Pause and write one idea in 3 sentence structures. Topic sentence is, mobile snatching is increasing. Write it as short, urgent, max 6 words, long, academic, 20 to 25 words, question form. Take your time. Okay, great. You just changed tone without changing the topic. Tone lever number 2, stance. Your position plus emotional angle. Stance is your relationship to the issue. Are you angry, sympathetic, neutral, hopeful, skeptical, persuasive? Let's see how stance shifts tone instantly. Same topic, mobile snatching. Outraged stance. It's disgusting that citizens can't even walk safely with a phone. Empathetic stance. It's painful how victims lose money, data, and peace of mind. Skeptical stance. Authorities announce crackdowns, yet incidents continue. Where is the evidence? Hopeful stance. With better lighting, patrolling, and reporting, these crimes can be reduced. Notice, stance is not grammar. It's your writer identity. Mini drill 2, 45 seconds. Stance switch. Write one sentence on your chosen topic in 2 stances. First, empathetic. Second, skeptical. Take your time. Now you're thinking like a real writer. Same topic, different stance. Tone lever number 3, word choice, diction. Word choice is the fastest tone tool. Neutral words, informational, increase, issue, factor, impact, concern. Strong words, emotional or forceful, crisis, terrifying, shameful, brutal, unacceptable. Persuasive words, action-oriented, must, urgent, protect, ensure, enforce, prevent. Academic words, formal, analytical, indicates, suggests, contributes, correlates, implications, stakeholders. Sarcastic or ironic words, careful use, apparently, of course, sure, how wonderful. Example, neutral, pollution is rising. Academic, pollution levels are escalating with measurable public health implications. Outraged, pollution is a reckless attack on public health. Hopeful, pollution can be reduced through consistent policy and responsible choices. Mini drill 3, 60 seconds. Word swap ladder. Take this base sentence. Food adulteration is a problem. Rewrite it 3 times by changing word choice. Neutral, simple facts. Outraged, strong condemnation. Academic, formal analysis tone. Take your time. Perfect. This is how professionals control tone. The power combo: structure, stance, and word choice. Now we combine all 3. This is where writing becomes powerful. Topic: pollution. A. Urgent and persuasive. Stop illegal burning now. Enforce penalties. Protect public health. B. Academic and cautious. Although industrialization supports economic growth, insufficient regulation appears to increase airborne pollutants and related health risks. Reflective and moral. A society that normalizes pollution quietly accepts harm as a routine cost of living. Same issue, different sound, because you changed the 3 levers. Quick game. Guess the tone. Engaging activity. Let's play a fast game. I'll read a line, you identify the tone. We cannot keep breathing this air and pretend everything is fine. Pollution is the introduction of harmful substances into the environment. Sure, let's celebrate progress while the sky turns gray. Answers: alarmed, urgent, objective, academic, sarcastic, biting. Mini drill 4, 45 seconds. Create your own tone set. Choose one topic: mobile snatching, pollution, food adulteration. Write 3 sentences: objective, academic, empathetic, persuasive. Pause time. Tone is controlled through sentence structure: short, long, questions, passive. Stance, your attitude toward the topic. Word choice: neutral versus emotional versus academic. Homework: quick, practical. Pick one topic and write 6 sentences: 2 academic, 2 persuasive, 2 emotional, either outraged or empathetic. And make sure each sentence uses a different structure. If you want, post one of your sentences in the comments and write the tone label. I'll reply to a few. My dear students, many more videos are on the way, so stay connected. If this lesson helped you, please subscribe, like, and share so others can benefit too. Keep practicing. Writing improves through consistent, mindful effort. Until next time, take care. I'm signing off now. Goodbye.